Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this scattered chart. I hope guys now you are cleared with this scattered chart and how we can use this scattered chart in Power BI. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is pie chart. I know guys, some of you maybe are well aware about this pie chart and you have definitely used in your Power BI reports. But you never study in detail guys that why we need to use this pie chart. So in today's tutorial guys, we will study about this pie chart in detail. So let me give you brief knowledge about this pie chart. So guys, with the help of this pie chart, we can illustrate the contribution of different values against the total. And generally we will only take one category with one measurable value. But as per the requirement guys, we can take more than one category with more measurable values. And the last thing is that this chart is best to use when we have 4 or 5 distinct values in our column. For an example, if we have a region column, so we have 4 distinct values, which is east, west, south and north. In a similar way guys, you could have different columns of products, countries and so on. So let's go to this pie chart page. And here you guys can see I have already taken this pie chart from this visualization pane. And now look at the parameters. So here we have legends, values, details and tooltip. And now let's start with this legend parameter. So here under this legend parameter guys, we need to take any category data like country, product, regions and so on. So let me expand this table and I want to analyze country wise sale under here in this pie chart. So I will simply select this country column and simply drag and drop here in this legend. And in value parameter guys, we need to take any measurable value. So I want to compare this country with total of sales. So I will take this sales column from here. If you guys want to analyze any other measurable value like cost, price and profit, so you guys can take any other measurable value according to your requirement. But here this time guys, I want to analyze sales. That's why I have taken sales column here under values parameter. So now we guys can see our pie chart is ready with country wise sale. And now let's understand this graph. So here in this yellow color shows the China country. And this dark blue represent Sri Lanka. And this sky blue is India, red is in USA and this green shows Japan. So guys, now I want to see the contribution of India country, which returning in sky blue color. So I will simply hover my mouse here in this sky blue color in this pie chart. So I can clearly see it here guys. India country contribution is 143,900 and it also shows the percentage as well, which is 20.93% of total sales. And in a similar way guys, if you guys want to analyze the other country sale, so simply hover your mouse in anywhere under this pie chart. So this time I want to see the contribution of China country. So I will simply hover my mouse here in this yellow color, which returning the total sales of China, which is 219990 and the percentage is 32% of this total sales here under this pie chart. So in this way guys, we can analyze the country wise sales and its contribution. And now let's talk about the next parameter of pie chart. So if I scroll it down here, so here you guys can see we have one more parameter which name is details. So if you guys want to make further analysis of this pie chart, then you guys can add any other category from this sales table. So let's suppose guys, this time I want to add regions here. So I will simply select this region parameter and drop here in this detail parameter. And now here you guys can see the moment I drag this region column here under this detail parameter, so this chart is more classified with this white line. So let's go to this red color portion guys, which is USA. And here you guys can see this red color portion is further classified with 2 regions. If I hover my mouse here in this section guys, so here we guys can clearly see the approximate sales is 61k, which is made in West region in USA. And if I hover my mouse under the second partition, so here we guys can see the total sales of USA in South region is 37652, which percentage is 5.48%. And in a similar way guys, if I hover my mouse here in this Sri Lanka, so this portion is also further classified into two categories. So in north region of Sri Lanka, we have made sales around 108140, and which percent is 15.73% of total sales. So if I hover my mouse here under the second portion of the Sri Lanka, so here you can see in east region we have made a sales of 64642, which is 9.4% of total sales. So if I talk about this yellow region guys, which is China, so here you can see we have made a sales only in one region, which is west region. So that's why this portion is not further classified. In a similar way guys, in India guys, we have only made a sales in east region. That's why India is also not further classified, just like USA and Sri Lanka. So I hope guys now you are clear with this pie chart. And now let's talk about one more thing about this pie chart. So let's suppose guys, if you want to display product wise contribution without creating a new pie chart. So here guys, we can easily achieve this thing here under this pie chart. So let me scroll it up from here. And here in legend section guys, we can add multiple categories. This time I have already taken country field here. And let's suppose guys, if I want to add any other field here. So for now only guys, I am taking this product field from here. So I will simply select this and drop here under this legend. And the moment I drag this field here you can see guys, we have some more options are here. But nothing is impacted here under this visual. This visual is still displaying the country wise sale. So if you guys want to see product wise contribution here under this pie chart guys, then you guys need to use this drill down option. So if you guys want to change the next level of this hierarchy, so you need to press this drill down button. So here you guys can see it is asking go to the next level in the hierarchy. So I will simply click this drill down option here. And see guys, now the data has been changed and now I can see the product wise contribution with region. This blue color shows milk. And this red color is cake, this green color is bread, and the yellow color is butter. So if I go here and remove this region from this detail parameter guys, now you can see simply product wise contribution. And now guys, if I hover my mouse anywhere in this pie chart, so this green color returning bread, which total sales is 314642 and the percentage is 45.76%. And here you guys can see it is also showing one more option, which name is drill up, and the same option is appear here in this pie chart, which is drill up. So you guys can use this drill up from anywhere. So once I click this drill up option guys, then you guys can see the chart is again switched to country wise contribution. So this drill down and drill up option guys, you guys can use in any of the chart with different categories. So you guys can explore this feature more about yourself. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of this pie chart. So simply go here in this formatting pane. So if I talk about this legend guys, we have already covered this in the previous videos of this visualization playlist. So from here guys, you guys can change the position of your legends, let's say top left. And from here guys, you can change the text size, text style, colors and so on. And from here guys, you can turn off and turn on the title of your legend. And now let's talk about the next formatting feature, which is slices. So here you guys can see we can change the color of your slices from here. So you guys can explore this color formatting by yourself. And now let's talk about the next feature, which is detail labels. So this feature guys is very useful to display the detail of your data. So if you guys want to turn it off, you can turn it off. So let me turn it on first and then we can explore more feature about this detail label. So here under this detail label option guys, so from here guys, you can change the positions. So this time our detail label is outside of this visual. Let's suppose I want to place here in inside. See guys, our detail label visual placed in inside this time. So from here guys, you can play with these positions. And now let's talk about this label contents. And now this time you guys able to see the contribution as well as the percentage. let's suppose you guys want to change the label contents. So this time I was only able to display data value. So see guys, percentage has gone and we can only able to see the data. And let's suppose this time you guys want to display only percentage. So simply click here on percentage of total. And now you guys only able to see the percentage. So from here guys, you guys can change your label of content. Under this value parameter guys, you guys can increase or decrease the size of your data label. And you can also change the color from here. So rest feature guys, you need to explore yourself. And the last feature is rotation. So you guys can also rotate your pie chart. Let's say 174 degree. So in this way guys, you guys can rotate your pie chart. So I hope guys, now you have definitely enjoyed this video and cleared with this all the feature of this pie chart visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. So here you guys can see we have a multiple playlist of Power BI. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. So you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch. And also we have one more playlist guys which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. So you guys don't need to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visual of Power BI in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some advanced scenarios which recently asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries guys, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.